Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share. I hope that you will join me. I have a couple of repurchases. I found some more of my bright pink mesh tubing, so I picked up two more. I have two more 12 feet of mesh tubing, so I'm happy I found those. And then I did find some more of my window stickers. I went to another store and I found these, so I grabbed them up. I love these little windows because they have a cute little image on the inside. And I'm doing a project right now that this will work really well with. So I bought one in one of my previous hauls, and I'm able to have more now because I'm glad I found these because I already messed up the other one. I was trying to separate the window, and yeah, it did not work out too well. So the little shutters are glued to the surface here. So yeah, I kind of like messed that up. So I have some more windows to work with. So yeah, I'm sorry. I picked up 3 more of those. And then the new stuff. Look, everyone's been hauling these. And I found 2 of these disco balls. So they're like Christmas ornaments, right? You know, you get during Christmas season, you get the little tiny ones. And look at this. This would make a wonderful addition to a Christmas tree. But I was also thinking that this would look really good in the backyard. Like, you know, just hang it up in one of the trees, and, you know, all the light will reflect off of there. And, you know, when it's windy or whatever, it'll spin and just throw all kinds of goodies around. Lots of rainbows in the backyard. So I got that one. And with 4th of July coming up, this will be fantastic too. If I can find some more, you know, so far I only found 2, so I'm on the watch out to find a few more of these. So I'm happy with that. Let's see, is there a size on here? These are 3.54 inches. I'm happy I found 2 at least. And then I found these containers. Look at them. These are makeup brush holders. And I picked up these 2. I picked up the violet leaves and the blue flowers. So there are 4 different designs. There's a lemon and an apple if you want them. But I just wanted these 2. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use it yet, but it'll be used in my craft room. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh, look at, there's a nice little latch there. It's a nice sturdy latch so it doesn't fall apart. Like, you put all kinds of goodies in here, right? So it's kind of long for like all the pins. That one's not closed. Well, okay, a pencil perhaps, because you see how much space. And then just latch it up and they throw it in another box. And the design is on the top and the bottom, so if you prefer that kind of thing, that's fine. But yeah, it's a nice little kit. So that was the violet one with all the leaves. And then here's the blue flowers. See there? Nice, right? I like these. So let me measure this right quick. It is about 8 inches long and about 1 1/8 thickness. It's nice. Let me see. Hold on. I do have a brush on my table. I bought this during Valentine's season. Well, maybe it's a little chunky for that one. Oh, here we go. I have a facial brush for my craft table. Oh, this will work. See there? It'll fit right in there. I use little scrubbers for my stamps. You know, like the stubborn ones or whatever scrubby stuff that I need to take off. But yeah, that's a good size, right? So you have to, use tiny ones facing other directions or just one long brush, right? Or you can put paintbrushes in here, I'm sure. So I'm happy I found these two. And they are by Sassy and Chic. And then the last items I picked up are these. Look at this, canvas pads. This is the first time I've seen these, so I grabbed 3. And let's see, I opened this one already. These are 8 by 10 inches. It is 100% natural cotton canvas. Excellent for oil and acrylic paint. So it's just the, that ecru canvas. Look at this. So if you don't want to use this side, you turn it over and you can use the back side. See there? It's a great crafting item. And then, of course, if you want to create your own, like a frame for an art that you painted, you can definitely put this on the frame. And the material's already set. So it's already gessoed on the front. So it's ready to be painted on, which is nice. So yeah, it's already been stretched and painted and it's ready to be used. And then if you paint on here just like this, you can attach it straight to the frame or you can put it on the frame, then paint on it, whichever way. But I thought this was an excellent find. That's why I picked up 3 pads. I thought this was fantastic. I did not mean to, but look, everything I bought this week kind of coordinates. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So my stores are a little on the low side of inventory, so I've been hopping from store to store and see what I can find. Hopefully this week will start to improve, but I will keep you in touch with all the new items I find. I hope that you find everything that you are looking for when you go to Dollar Tree next. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.